What if I told you that in 2025 you could start making money even while you sleep? Yeah, I'm talking about waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing that you made money overnight. It's not a dream, guys, it's passive income. And today, I'm diving deep into the 7 best passive income ideas that can help you build serious wealth. But make sure you stick around till the end, because I'm going to reveal the #1 passive income idea that has the potential to make you the absolute most money this year. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the simplest, most beginner-friendly passive income stream out there. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit or CDs. Now I know what you're thinking. Seriously? Savings accounts? But hear me out, because in 2025, things are different. Interest rates are higher than they've been in years, which means banks are actually offering some decent returns. We're talking 4 to 5% annually just for parking your money in their accounts. I know it's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's literally free money for doing absolutely nothing. Think of it as a foundation for your passive income journey. Now, with high-yield savings accounts, you have the flexibility to withdraw your money whenever you want. No penalties, no fees. CDs, on the other hand, offer a slightly higher interest rate, but your money is locked in for a fixed period, typically a few months to a few years. The best part? Both of these methods are considered extremely low risk. Your money is FDIC insured, meaning it's protected up to $250,000 per depositor per bank. To get started, simply open a high-yield savings account or a CD with a reputable bank or online financial institution. Compare the interest rates, read the fine print, and choose the option that best suits your financial goals. Okay, so we've covered the basics of high-yield savings accounts and CDs, but let's be real, you're not going to build generational wealth with those alone. So let's step it up a notch and talk about one of my favorite passive income strategies, dividend stocks and ETFs. Now, I'm a huge fan of investing in companies that pay dividends, and here's why. Imagine getting paid in cash every single quarter just for owning a piece of your favorite companies. That's exactly what dividend stocks allow you to do. These companies are essentially sharing their profits with you, their shareholders, in the form of cold, hard cash. The beauty of dividend investing is that you're not just relying on the stock price to go up to make money. You're getting paid regardless, which can provide a nice cushion during market downturns. Plus, over time, those dividends can really add up and compound, creating a snowball effect on your wealth. Now, if you're new to investing or you're not comfortable picking individual stocks, don't worry, ETFs have got you covered. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are like baskets of stocks that track a specific index, sector, or investment strategy. There are tons of dividend-focused ETFs out there that allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio of dividend-paying companies with just a single trade. To start investing in dividend stocks or ETFs, you'll need to open a brokerage account. Once you've funded your account, do your research, choose your investments wisely, and watch those passive income streams start rolling in. Now let's talk about real estate. It's one of the oldest, most reliable ways to build wealth. But buying property outright? That takes a ton of cash up front. Not anymore, my friends. With real estate crowdfunding, you can become a real estate investor with as little as $100. Here's how it works. Platforms pool money from individual investors to buy large-scale real estate projects. You get to own a piece of the action rental properties, commercial buildings, you name it, without needing to manage tenants, deal with repairs, or even look at another lease agreement. It's all about leveraging technology to make real estate investing more accessible. These platforms handle everything: finding properties, vetting tenants, even collecting rent. Now, like any investment, real estate crowdfunding comes with risks. Do your due diligence on the platform, research the properties, and understand the fees involved before investing. To get started, explore reputable real estate crowdfunding platforms. Browse available projects, assess their potential returns, and choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Alright, let's dive into the world of digital products, because who wouldn't want to make money while they sleep? Here's the beauty of it. You create a valuable product once and you can sell it over and over again, generating passive income for years to come. No inventory, no shipping, just pure digital gold. So, what kind of digital products are we talking about? Ebooks are a classic example. Share your expertise, package it into a comprehensive guide, and sell it online through platforms like Amazon, Kindle, Direct Publishing, or your own website. Templates are another great option. Create customizable templates for resumes, business plans, social media posts. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget online courses. Share your skills, teach valuable knowledge, and build a thriving online community while generating passive income. Platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, and Podia make it super easy to create and sell your own courses. The key here is to identify a need in the market, create a high-quality product that solves a problem, and then market the heck out of it. Leverage social media, content marketing, and email lists to reach your target audience. Alright, let's talk about a passive income idea that's perfect for the creatively inclined print-on-demand. Imagine this: you design a cool t-shirt, a funny mug, a unique sticker, whatever your heart desires. But instead of dealing with inventory, storage, or shipping nightmares, you partner with a print-on-demand company. They handle everything else. A customer places an order, the print-on-demand company prints your design on the product, ships it directly to the customer, and you collect your profits. All without ever touching a single piece of inventory. This is a fantastic way to monetize your creativity, test out different designs and niches, and build a brand without the traditional risks and overheads of an e-commerce business. Platforms like Printful, Printify, and Redbubble make it incredibly easy to get started. Simply create an account, upload your designs, choose your products, set your prices, and start promoting. You can sell through your own online store, social media platforms, or even marketplaces like Etsy. So get those creative juices flowing, design something awesome, and let the print-on-demand magic take care of the rest. Let's be real, we all talk about products and services we love, right? So why not get paid for it? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. It's one of the most popular and potentially lucrative ways to earn passive income online. Here's how it works. You partner with a company that has an affiliate program. You recommend their products or services to your audience through your website, blog, social media channels, or email list. And when someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like getting a finder's fee for spreading the word about products you already use and believe in. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or deal with any of the logistics of running an e-commerce business. Your focus is solely on driving traffic to your affiliate links and making those conversions. To get started, find companies in your niche that offer affiliate programs. Many popular brands and retailers have their own programs, and you can also join affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate, which connect you with a wide range of merchants. The key to success in affiliate marketing is to be authentic, provide value to your audience, and only recommend products or services that you genuinely believe in. Alright guys, it's time to reveal the #1 passive income idea that has the potential to make you the most money in 2025 YouTube automation. Now I know what you're thinking. Graham, YouTube? Isn't that a ton of work? Well, that's where things get interesting. With YouTube automation, you can build a thriving YouTube channel and generate significant passive income without ever showing your face on camera. That's right, no awkward talking to the camera, no expensive video equipment, just pure strategic content creation. How does it work? You choose a profitable niche, you hire talented scriptwriters like myself, video editors and voiceover artists to create high-quality content for your channel, and you upload consistently to build a loyal audience. The beauty of YouTube automation is that once you've created a library of evergreen content, it can continue to generate views, subscribers, and ad revenue for months, even years to come. Think about it, people are constantly searching for information, entertainment, and tutorials on YouTube. By tapping into specific keywords and providing valuable content, you can position your videos to rank high in search results, attracting a steady stream of organic traffic. And the best part? YouTube offers multiple monetization methods. You can earn ad revenue from the ads displayed on your videos, secure sponsorships from brands looking to reach your audience, and even promote your own products or affiliate offers. You can create animated explainer videos, use stock footage and screen recordings, or even hire a faceless channel host to narrate your scripts. So if you're looking for a passive income stream with massive potential, YouTube automation is definitely worth exploring. So there you have it guys, 7 incredible passive income ideas that can help you achieve financial freedom and design the life you've always dreamed of. Which passive income idea are you going to try in 2025? Let me know in the comments below. I'm excited to see what you guys choose. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making tips, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video. See you in the next one.